Hello, I'm very happy to introduce you today the new collection of Kamengo for this spring and summer season. So in this collection there are 4 atmospheres, 4 universe that we have been working on. So the first one is Oasis. So an oasis is really an expression of nature, but it's also a place where you go and you take your energy. So this is the way we are seeing also the house, a place where you go and you take your energy from them with your family and friends. So in this inspiration there are the main collection, which is Oasis, which is here, and then there is a hanger which is Hawaii that I will show you. And there are 2 planes, one which is upholstery with sorbet and one which is for curtain, which is nomad. So the first fabric in this collection, in this atmosphere, is Hawaii, which is a main hanger plane with this print. So it's a print on our plain Newton, which is a viscose and linen one, so the drape is very nice. And here, so what we especially like is like you feel really the generosity of the nature in this fabric. And also what we like is like the way it is drawing is like candid, and that's why I name it Hawaii, because it's like really a holiday spirit. And here what is very nice is the combination of color, which are all the color which are in trends at the moment. So the celadon blue, which is a really timeless color, along with this nude and terracotta and all the shade of greens and blue. Here we have developed two colors, so the one you've seen before and this one, which is with a dark background. So the black is really revealing the colors. So this is what is more also powerful design. So this was for the hanger. Then for the book Oasis, I will show you now the designs of Oasis. So the first one is like, the name is Alizé. Alizé is a name of a wind in French. So here, as you can see, it's like really a big breath. So it's a full embroidery design, but we keep also the gentle price of Kamengo always. So you will find this very nice embroidery on a polycotton base, and you see the drape is really good, even if there is a lot of embroidery stitches. Here you can see also the colors. Then here you have the design Maui. Maui is a very interesting design because it's like a semi-artisanal one, because it's also a very nice geometric design, and we have brought to this geometric design a softness because of this stitch, which is in cotton, but as you can see, it's a velvet cut. So this is made by hand. So this is why I name it semi-artisanal. Mixing with a viscose yarn, so it gives also a more contrast. Then you see here the neutral color, all the colors, and on the neutral colors we have put a metallic yarn, which is giving like the sun shining into the fabric. Then you have the design Oasis. So Oasis is also a geometric design, but here what we have made is also we have mixed the cotton, which is giving a very heavy volume on the fabric, and with viscose, which is giving a little shiny effect into the fabric. So you have also a very nice contrast. So as you can see, the color, the mainly it's a mainly very soft coloration, but here we have made a more stronger color, which is giving very more impact, as you can see. So it's a very decorative and fresh and strong color, very luminous, bright, let's say. So as it's a vertical design, it's very interesting also for Roman blinds, which is a very big demand also of the customer. So for Roman blinds also we have this very nice stripe, which is like the Maui design before, with a velvet cut technique, which is giving this aspect semi-artisanal. And then we have developed this sheer, which is also very nice because the net spirit in shears are very in trend. All the shears in Kamengo are in 280 centimeter width. So here you can use it in the width or in the as you want. So you can use it on the two ways. And the very nice thing is that we have developed multicolor yarn, which is giving the very trendy and innovation to the fabric. So I introduce you this plain, which name is Sorbet. Some colors are in the book Oasis. So what is very interesting with this plain is that the pile of the velvet is quite long, which makes it very comfortable. And also the very nice thing is that it doesn't mark. So it's a very good quality. It's a polyester and cotton velvet with the full color range of Kamengo that you know, bright and soft colors with all the neutral that you need. So now I'll introduce you the plain Nomad, which is 300 centimeter width plain, washable. We try for Kamengo to bring all the quality for plains and curtain as a washable qualities. So here the beauty of the fabric, it's a cotton and linen canvas, but the really beauty of this fabric is the blowing effect. And you have this blowing effect thanks to the stone wash finish that we are making on this canvas, and which make it like, you know, the canvas you can find in the desert. So that's why I name it Nomad. Into this book, we also made it as a foil print lamination effect to get this matte and shiny effect. I name it Soleil, which means sun in English. So that's really like the reflect of the sun in the desert. So I will introduce you now the second atmosphere inspiration of this launching. The name of this inspiration is A Beautiful Summer, and there are 5 collections in this inspiration I will introduce. So the first one is Sophia. As you can see, it's a really nice expression of nature and flower and spring, summer. So the first embroidery here is Mila. So it's a very nice embroidery fabric. As you can see here, you can feel all the richness and the beauty and the generosity of the nature because of all the variety of flowers and colors. Here you have a very fresh atmosphere and color, and I wanted to show you also this color as a big piece to show you here how the navy, blue navy color in the ground is revealing the color again and give so a strongness in the fabric. So So that's for this very nice flower. Then, to match with, we have been creating this embroidery on our base Bruges, which is our best plain at the moment in Camengo. And so here, as you can see, all the details that are into the ornament are creating this folk spirit. Then you have this stripe, which name is folk. So here you can really see all the colors and details in, also we are mixing cotton and viscose. So we are giving a lot of details to feel how the artisanal hand, the artisanal feeling of the fabric. So it's very nice for Roman blind. Then you have this design, which is really a nice expression of the nature. And the beauty here is that we have made it also on our plain Bruges, but with a cord appliqué, which is giving a very incredible volume into the fabric. And we have been working on this also on a sheer. So it's like, you know, the leaf is just going on the window. Also, we have made it also as a cheaper option with a normal embroidery thread. And then, as a velvet, all the shears are in a 280 centimeter width, washable. Then here you have the velvet, which is very interesting because, you know, it gives, like in the Provençal houses in France, you have this kind of tiles on the floor, and it's really an inspiration from them and from there. And here you see the density of weaving is giving the relief on the velvet. So in the atmosphere, a beautiful summer, you also have this collection, which name is Nuit d'été. So it's a full collection of quilted fabric. All the fabric are in a 280 centimeter width and washable, and it's already passed the test of fire retardant for bed runners. So the first fabric is a printed velvet with this very generous flower again. So you have the feeling that you wake up in a cottage every day. Then we have made two designs in 6 colors. So here the first one, it's a geometric design we did with our fabric Biarritz that we launched last year. So as you can see, so the very good thing is that you can find the very coordinated plane to combine. And the same here with this fabric, which is made which is a quilted made with our plain Nomad. So we have also developed this collection, which is a collection of woven stripe based on our plain Bruges, which is very in trend at the moment, and very you are working very hard with this plain. So you can match with our main plain Bruges. So as you can see, a very timeless stripe, and the colors we have chosen are also timeless. So it's more maybe for classics customers, as you can see here. And so for Roman blind, again, it's really nice. And here, just simple bicolor stripe. So here you have this plain collection, which name is Anushka. So it's a 300 centimeter width fabric, 100% polyester with linen look. The very interesting thing with this plane is that it is yarn dyed fabric. So it means that, for example, here the warp is blue and the weft is white. So it's how you get this natural effect. Also, if you check here on a bicolor, a complete bicolor fabric, you can see that here with the green and the blue, you have really a very changeant effect with the color. So it's a very nice, and you can notice also the very nice drape of the fabric. And here you have the full color range. So here you have this new plane, which name is Rondo. So it's mainly a upholstery plane because it's 50,000 Martindale rubs. The beauty of this fabric is that, as you can see, there is a very nice end. It's a quite heavy fabric because it's 650 grams per square meter. But even like this, as you can see, the drape is really nice. So, and you have this very trendy boucle effect, also keeping a very gentle price for this kind of upholstery fabric. So this new atmosphere for this collection is name is Lumière, which means light, and the collection name is Joséphine because of Joséphine Baker. So the idea was here to create a very feminine and a very funny collection because of the cabaret atmosphere and musical atmosphere. So the first design is this very nice feather that you can see here. It's a very elegant, and the shape are very feminine, and also the dégradé effect in the feather is really interesting, as you can see. Here again, it's an embroidery. The name design of this fabric is Joséphine. So it's also an embroidery on a satin cotton polyester base. As you can see, also the shape and the movement of this design is very nice and elegant. Here we have made an ornament as an embroidery, also on satin. But what the beauty of this fabric is, because we made it on a very special texture as a ground. It's like a hammered metal inspiration with this embroidery, the 2 yarn of embroidery plus these colors, which is giving more personality to this ornament. Then a typical design from the Art Deco spirit is this design, as you can see. So it's a very interesting jacquard because it's a really tone-on-tone jacquard. The beauty of the fabric is because of the volume that we have into the weaving of the fabric, as you can see here. The very interesting thing also is that it's a 280 centimeter width jacquard. So it can be also interesting for you. Then we have developed this fabric, which is like a fantasy into the collection. It's a sequins embroidery design, so it's giving this strass and shiny effect and metallic effect into the collection. Then as a velvet, you have this stylized feather of peacock feather effect. So also it's like very feminine, and the line here is giving really volume to the fabric. Then as a sheer, it's a very natural sheer. It's a net weaving, and there is like a raffia yarn into, which is giving the light, which is giving the light into the fabric. So the last atmosphere we have been working on for this collection is Winter Holidays. So the collection name is Winter, so it's really chalet in the mountain atmosphere. So the first design is this skiing people. So it's a very funny, like a very funny design, very nice. The very interesting here thing is that we have been working on a new yarn, which is viscose and cotton. So the cotton gives really the volume and effect of the snow, and the viscose will give the little shiny effect also of the sun on the snow. Then you have this flake. The flakes are very important when we talk about mountain and chalet spirit. So here the very nice thing is that on the stitch embroidery is like a crochet artisanal effect. So it gives really artisanal look to the fabric. Here you have the very thin flakes on sheer, so it's like you can see the snow which is through the window. So that's a very thin and nice sheer, which is also in a 280 centimeter width, or even 3 meters. Here the texture name is Marmotte. So Marmotte is a very nice texture, which is very interesting for beddings or also plaid, but you can also use it as a curtain. So it gives a very wool look, very nice look. Here also on the sheer you have this wool look effect with this yarn, which is a cotton yarn, but as you can see is very heavy and having a very wool look. And the nice thing is also into the weaving of the ground, which is like a little jacquard effect, which is very nice. And the touch of the fabric, the drape is very, very nice. And here, so the name of this sheer is velouté. It's also very, very soft. As you can, when you touch it, it's a so nice hand. The drape also is very good, and it's like a boucle yarn also, but here as a sheer look. So into the collection you will find again our previous collection, which was Windsor, which was a wool look easy clean plain, which was with the stripe and the tartan design. So it's a polyester but wool look easy clean. You can combine, as you can see, you can really combine with this collection. And then also we have developed a fur into this atmosphere, which is very nice to combine and to finish the mountain atmosphere. Here it is rondo. Thank you very much.